This is Danny Gould.
And this is Stephanie Hicks with the Selling Silicon Valley Group.
Welcome to our newest listing, a rare 37-acre piece of land located in the epicenter of Silicon Valley's Greenbelt here in Morgan Hill.
This 37 acres is flat, usable land located right off of Santa Teresa Boulevard. It has a fully functioning well, and it's ready for any agricultural use.
This is a rare opportunity for anyone to own a large piece of Silicon Valley real estate. The possibilities here are endless. All of this could be yours. Steph, we're here, 37 acres of land in Morgan Hill. I mean, really hard to find this kind of size property pretty much anywhere now. There's several different uses for this kind of land, right? So the first that comes to mind is agricultural use. This is zoned for ag. Your husband works in ag, so let's talk about some of the possibilities and some of the features that this has for someone that would like to use that.
Absolutely. This is a prime usable land, 37 acres with a fully functioning well that's been completely retrofitted for full capacity use. It could be used for an agricultural needs for grow crops, or it could be for an orchard. It could be for an investor who wants to sublease it out to also other agricultural needs.
Prior to this being on the market, right, there were several lessees, right, that came in, and they were all pretty much agricultural.
Absolutely. There was a sod farm here that was very successful that just finished their lease on this property. As you can tell, sod farm needs a lot of water. This is one of the rare pieces of land in this corridor that has the water use, which is really important for an agricultural use.
Right, and that's actually, I think, one of the best features about this property is that they have full rights to the well that's adjacent to it over there. Now, there are some investors out there too that would find this kind of land useful. I mean, I know that the neighbor just across the street there, they bought that as a development place. So there still is that opportunity, right? It's not like this will never be developed. So there is some development opportunity or some development place here.
Absolutely. You never know what's going to happen with Silicon Valley. I mean, you can't create new land, and this is it, folks. 37 acres of usable space out here in the heart of Silicon Valley. Easy access to the highway, Santa Teresa Road, Morgan Hill, San Jose. This is a prime location, so you never know which direction San Jose is going to grow. And
it's no secret that there's a lot of conservation groups that are actually buying pieces of land up here in this greenbelt. The reality is that they wouldn't be buying up this land if there wasn't the threat that this will eventually be developed for any investor to come in here and create or try to create that development play.
Right, I agree. And I mean, anyone who wants to buy this as an investment property knows the inner workings of any local government, can definitely advocate for growth, any developer. This is the wave of the future for Silicon Valley, and now's the time to get in on it. If you'd like more information on this property, contact us at the number below.
Don't miss your chance to own this incredibly rare piece of Silicon Valley real estate.